Good morning everyone, I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. So in the previous lecture we had started chapter number 3 of our literature reader of our English treasure book, and that is Jack and the Beanstalk. And in the same lecture I had told you what is a beanstalk. See, this is a beanstalk that I have made for you. Okay, this is a stem of a bean plant. But this beanstalk is an extraordinarily grown beanstalk. That is something magical beanstalk out of magical seeds that we will discuss in the today's lecture. So let me give you a quick revision of whatever we had studied in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture we had started the story with what? With an old woman, and this old woman had a son named Jack. Okay, this old woman had a son named Jack. Then they had something else also with them. What did they have? They had a cow named Milky White. Okay, they had a cow named Milky White. Then what usually happen every day? What used to happen every day? Every day this Milky White, this cow gives them milk. Milky White दूध देती थी, and this Jack, this boy used to go to the market and sell the milk. Jack दूध को लेकर जाता था मार्केट और उसे वहाँ बेच देता था. इस तरीके से उन्हें थोड़ा बहुत पैसा मिलता था जिस पर वो अपना लाइफ जिससे वो अपना गुजारा करते थे. ओके, then one day what happened? One day Milky White gave no milk. Okay, one day Milky White gave no milk. This cow did not give any milk. So there was nothing to sell in the market. Jack के पास उस दिन मार्केट में ले जाकर बेचने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा. Okay, then nothing to sell in the market means what? There is no money. No milk means no money. No money for Jack and his family. Right? Now if somebody doesn't have money, what happens? No money means nothing. Nothing to buy from the outside. Okay, कुछ खरीद नहीं सकते. कुछ इधर बेसिक नेसेसिटी क्या है जो वो लोग नहीं खरीद सकते? No money means no food. Okay, no money means no food for them. Okay, no food. Now food is something that we cannot live without. Okay, food ऐसी चीज है जिससे के बिना हम नहीं रह सकते. Okay, see, Jack and his family दूध के बिना रह सकते हैं, पैसे के बिना. पैसा हम खाते थोड़ी है, ठीक है, बट फूड ये ऐसी चीज है जिसके बिना नहीं रह सकते हैं. ठीक है, कोई भी नहीं रह सकता. Then what happened? Jack's mother got worried. Jack's mother got worried, and what action did she take? Jack की मदर जो है वो थोड़ा टेंशन में आ गई थी कि पैसे नहीं है तो फिर खाना कहाँ से आएगा और मैं अपने जैक को क्या खिलाऊंगी. ठीक है, तो she got worried, and out of that she made a decision. She told Jack to go and sell the cow. उसने जैक से बोला जाओ और जाकर इस गाय को, मिल्की वाइट को जाकर बेच दो. ओके, then what happened? On his way Jack went to sell the cow. On his way, रास्ते में क्या हुआ? Jack met with an old man. Jack एक old man से मिला. Old man was ready to take the cow. Old man cow को खरीदने के लिए तैयार हो गया. But in return, old man was not giving money. What instead old man was giving? Old man was giving bean seeds like this. Okay, this is a bean. Okay, this is a bean. ठीक है, so 5 bean seeds like this old man was giving. Okay, old man was giving 5 bean seeds. Now Jack ने पूछा कि अब bean seeds का मैं क्या करूँगा? मम्मी ने तो मुझे गाय को बेचने के लिए कहा है ताकि उससे थोड़ा पैसे आए और हम थोड़े दिन रह सकें. पर ये bean seeds से क्या होगा? What will I do of these bean seeds? Then old man explained Jack that these are not ordinary bean seeds. ये ordinary bean seeds नहीं, they are magical. What will happen? How they are magical? When you plant them overnight, जब इन्हें आप मिट्टी में लगाओगे तो एक ही रात के अंदर, मतलब पूरा दिन भी नहीं ले रहा है वो, 24 घंटे भी नहीं, सिर्फ रात में लगा और सुबह प्लांट आपका निकल आएगा. और एक ही रात में वो प्लांट इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कि वो स्काई तक पहुंच जाएगा। सो ये थी स्टोरी। जैक took the bean seeds happily. Okay, Jack took the bean seeds happily, and what did he do? He gave the bean seeds to his mother. उसने जाकर उसकी मम्मी को वो bean seeds दे दिए। Then what happened? His mother went angry. His mother went so angry that she threw the bean seeds out of the window. This is Jack's house. For suppose, okay, this is the window of Jack's room. जैक के रूम के बाहर वाले विंडो से उन्होंने गुस्से में वो सीड्स फेंक दिए। कौन से? ये वाले सीड्स गार्डन में। ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? जैक वेंट सैड। जैक बहुत दुखी हो गया, वो फिर सोने चला गया रात में। देन इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन ही वोक अप, व्हाट हैपेंड? इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन ही वोक अप, he saw outside the window that a big beanstalk has been sprung up. उसने देखा कि एक रात के अंदर ये इतना बड़ा सा क्या लग गया है हमारे गार्डन में, जो देखते तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है, ऊपर तक जा रहा है, स्काई तक जा रहा है। सो ये थी स्टोरी जो हमने डिस्कस की थी प्रीवियस लेक्चर। नाउ वी विल स्टडी व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट। ओके, एंड आई होप सो यू आर क्यूरियस टू नो व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट। So please open page number 17 for this. Okay, please open page number 17. Page number 17. Okay, first I will read it and then I will explain it. And while I am reading the paragraphs, you have to put your finger on the lines, on the words that I am reading. Okay, so I hope you have opened this page. Now the second last paragraph, this one, second last means नीचे से दूसरा वाला paragraph. Okay, so please put your finger on the second last paragraph, the first line of the second last paragraph. So Jack jumped on to the beanstalk and climbed till at last he reached the sky. There he found a long road leading to a big house. At the doorstep stood a tall woman. "Good morning, Jack," "Good morning," said Jack politely to the woman. "Could you be so kind to give me some breakfast? I am very hungry." Okay, so I have read two paragraphs. Now I am going to explain it. So देखो, Jack woke up in the morning. Jack सुबह सुबह उठा, उसने देखा बाहर ये क्या लग गया इतना बड़ा। तो just imagine if you are in Jack's place. Okay, just imagine आप जैक की जगह पर होते, आप क्या करते? उठते, देखते कि हाँ बीनस्टॉक लग गया है, मैं तो पहले ब्रश करूँगा, नाश्ता करूँगा, नहाऊँगा, ऐसे करते नहीं। आई नो यू आर ऑल्सो एज क्यूरियस एज जैक, आप भी उतने ही क्यूरियस हो जैसे जितना जैक है। जैक ने क्या किया? व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट? जैक व्हेन एज सून एज जैक वोक अप, जैसे ही जैक उठा उसने देखा इतना बड़ा क्या लग गया है। ही डिड नॉट वेट फॉर अ मिनट, उसने एक मिनट भी वेट नहीं किया। ही जस्ट जम्प्ड आउट ऑफ द विंडो ऑन टू द बीनस्टॉक, उसने विंडो से सीधा जंप मार दिया बीनस्टॉक के ऊपर। नाउ दिस इज जैक standing on the beanstalk. Okay, this is who? This is Jack standing on the beanstalk and wondering कि ये कहाँ तक जा रही है, कितना ऊपर तक जाएगी। So he began to climb and climb up and up till he reached the sky. वो ऊपर चढ़ता गया जब तक sky तक नहीं पहुँच गया। ठीक है? So somewhere here Jack is standing. Okay, now just give me a moment to erase all the things. Then we will discuss in the sky what happened. Okay, so what happened? Then Jack went to the sky. Jack आसमान तक पहुंच गया। Just imagine, आपने कभी सोचा है कि ऊपर क्या होगा? एक बार जाके देखे। Okay, so this is the same thing. Jack is also a little boy like you. He got a chance to go to the sky through this beanstalk. उसको एक चांस मिला था ऊपर तक जाने के लिए, तो कैसे वेस्ट कर देता वो एक चांस। पहुंच गया वो ऊपर। Okay, he reached up till the sky. Then here, what was happening? He saw a long road. What is this? He saw a long road. एक बहुत लंबा सा रोड है जो कहीं तो जा रहा है। कहाँ जा रहा है? The road was leading to a big house. Okay, the road was leading to a big house. जैसे महल होते हैं ना बड़े बड़े। Okay, So whose house this is? This is the house of a giant. ये एक बड़े से giant का घर है. Okay. Then here on the doorstep, what happened? Jack saw a lady, a very very tall lady standing there. Okay, a very tall lady standing at the doorstep. Okay, she is the lady, very tall one. So Jack saw a very tall lady, very tall woman standing at the doorstep. Then Jack, अब क्या यहाँ तक आने के बाद जैक यहीं पे खड़ा रहता? आप सोचो वो आगे जाता या नहीं जाता? ऑब्वियसली जाता, क्योंकि इतना ऊपर तक आने के बाद ये देखने के बाद कि देयर इज समथिंग इन द स्काई आल्सो. ओके, सो he did not wait for a second, he just went to this lady. Now before this lady Jack was looking so small. Okay, वो लेडी इतनी टॉल है क्योंकि वो लेडी भी एक जायंट है. Okay, so she is very tall and Jack was looking like a very small person in front of that lady. Okay, so then Jack डरा नहीं because that lady was not looking dangerous as giant. Okay, lady ये जो है लेडी टॉल लेडी जायंट जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, तो वो इतनी डेंजरस नहीं दिख रही थी. तो जैक gathered the courage and Jack went to this lady. Then what happened? जैक ने लेडी को ग्रीट किया, गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके, जैक said good morning to that lady, to that woman. Could you be so kind to give me some breakfast? I am very hungry. जैक ने कुछ और भी बोला. To this lady, what did Jack say? He said, could you be so kind to give me some breakfast? क्या आप मुझ पर थोड़ी सी दया करके मुझे थोड़ा कुछ खाने के लिए देंगी, ब्रेकफास्ट देंगी? Because I am very hungry, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. Now why was Jack hungry? Just wonder, just imagine, why was Jack hungry? Let's come back to here again. Jack जैसे ही उठा, when as soon as Jack woke up, उसने देखा ही नहीं, वो ब्रश भी नहीं किया, अपने बेड से नीचे भी नहीं उतरा, ना ब्रेकफास्ट किया, ना दूध पिया, कुछ नहीं किया. He just directly climbed onto the beanstalk. Now imagine इतना बड़ा beanstalk जो स्काई तक जा रहा है. On that beanstalk he climbed and climbed and climbed and climbed and then he reached the sky. इतना ज़्यादा मेहनत करने के बाद obviously कोई भी किसी को भूख लग जाएगी. Okay, तो Jack was hungry, very very hungry. Now please turn the page. We'll read some more paragraphs and then I'll explain you what happened next. So page number 18. Please open page number 18. And I'm reading some lines, okay? You want breakfast, said the woman. My husband is a giant and he loves to eat little boys like you. So better be going on or he will soon be coming. Oh, please give me something to eat, Jack insisted. So she took him into the kitchen and gave him milk and cheese. Then, thank you, said Jack. He was still eating when thump, 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 the whole house began to tremble. Okay, so till this orange word, tremble, I have finished my reading. Now I am explaining what happened. Okay, so this lady, she said, Jack, you want breakfast? तुम्हें breakfast चाहिए? My husband is a giant. मेरा जो husband है वो एक giant है and he's a very dangerous type of giant. Okay, he loves to eat little boys like you. तुम्हारे जैसे छोटे छोटे लड़कों को खाना मेरे husband को बहुत पसंद है. Okay, so better be going on. इसलिए यहाँ से जल्दी से जाओ. Otherwise he will be coming soon. वो आता ही होगा. Okay, so then, but Jack was so hungry that he didn't listen all this. Jack इतना भूखा था कि उसको ये सब समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था, सुनाई ही नहीं दे रहा था जैसे. He was continuously insisting कि oh please give me something to eat, I'm very hungry. Insist. This is a new word for you. INSIST. What does this word mean? Insist. Insist means बार बार बात को बोलना, अपनी बात को किसी को कहना तब तक जब तक वो मान ना जाए. Okay, insist. So Jack was insisting for breakfast to this lady, to this woman, to the giant woman. Okay. So after listening so many times that Jack wants breakfast. At the last, this lady took Jack to their kitchen. Okay, for suppose this is their kitchen, like this is the kitchen. Okay, this wall is the kitchen. Then she took Jack to the kitchen. Then in the kitchen, what she did? She gave milk and cheese to Jack. What did she give Jack to eat? Milk and cheese. Okay. She has given both these things to Jack in the breakfast to eat. Okay. Then Jack was eating while he said thank you so much. Okay. Jack ने lady को thank you कहा and he was still eating. वो खा ही रहा था. Then he heard something. A shaking sound. Thum thum thum. Like the whole house began to tremble. Tremble. T-R-E-M-B-L-E. Tremble. What does this word means? Shake. हिलना. Shake करना. Okay. So जैसे ही giant की एंट्री हुई पूरा घर हिलने लगा. Okay. Now just imagine giant, how much big the giant was. Giant इतना बड़ा था कि उनका इतना बड़ा घर भी it begin to tremble. It begin to shake. Okay. So now I am reading again. Okay, let's come back to the reading of the chapter again. Here, goodness gracious me. Goodness gracious me, it's the giant, my husband, said the woman. She quickly hid Jack in the oven and asked him not to come out. The giant ate his breakfast and then he said, wife, please bring me the hen that lays the golden eggs. So she bought the hen and the giant said, lay. The hen laid an egg made of gold. Okay. The giant smiled and then began to snore. Jack came out of the oven, caught hold of the hen and quickly climbed down the beanstalk. Okay, now something interesting happened. What happened? See, I have read 3 paragraphs. Okay. So as soon as they felt that the ground, the house began to shake, the house began to tremble. जैसे ही उन्हें ऐसा फील हुआ कि सब कुछ हिलने लगा है. Then giant's wife said, goodness gracious. Who is giant's wife? This lady. Okay, who has given breakfast to Jack. So giant's wife said, goodness gracious me, it's giant my husband. Okay, हे भगवान, ये तो giant है, मेरा husband है. Said the woman. She quickly hid Jack in the oven and asked him not to come out. What she did? उसने जैसे ही देखा कि giant आ रहा है, what she did? For suppose this is a oven. Okay, any microwave oven or any kind of oven. So she took Jack and hid him into this oven. Okay, now imagine कि giants का microwave oven भी इतना बड़ा है कि हमारा Jack उसमें पूरा fit हो गया. ठीक है, Jack was इतना small कि he got fit into this oven. Okay, so giant की wife ने hid means what? H-I-D, hid. It is the second form of the word hide. Hide means छुप जाना. You play hide and seek, so you know the meaning of this word, छुप जाना. Hid. Giant की wife ने she hid Jack into this oven. उसने Jack को oven के अंदर छुपा दिया. Okay, और Jack से कहा बाहर नहीं आना. Okay, don't come out. बाहर मत आना. Then what happened? Giant ate his breakfast and then he said, wife, please bring me the hen that lays the golden eggs. Okay, now somewhere here this is the table on which the giant ate his breakfast. Okay, this is the big giant. Jack is hiding here. Okay, giant is here. He was having his breakfast. Giant was having his breakfast and during having his breakfast, what did he ask? Breakfast खाते खाते giant ने क्या कहा? Wife. Okay, उसकी wife से कहा, wife, please bring me the hen that lays the golden eggs. Okay, नाउ वाइफ से उसने कहा मुझे वो वाली hen ला कर दो. कौन सी वाली? वो वाली जो गोल्डन एग्स देती है. अच्छा, here anywhere around us do we find any hen that lays golden eggs? No, because this is something that usually doesn't happen. ये ऐसी चीज़ है जो होती नहीं है, सिर्फ कहानियों में सुनने को मिलती है कि किसी मुर्गी ने सोने का अंडा दिया हो. ठीक है. So then what happened? Giant asked for the hen. मुर्गी. Who lays what? Golden eggs. Okay, golden eggs. So golden eggs are what? The eggs made up of gold. सोने का अंडा, सोने के अंडे. ठीक है. So then wife bought the hen to the giant. वाइफ ने वो hen लाकर दे दी जायंट को. Then giant said lay. L-A-Y lay. Giant said lay. Lay means not that Lay's chips that you eat. Lay's chips वाला lay नहीं. Lay means देना, अंडा देना. Gently, to give something gently. Okay, to put something down gently or carefully. That means lay. Lay means अंडा देना. In usual hen terms I would say अंडा देना. Okay, so lay. जैसे ही giant ने बोला lay. Okay, as soon as giant said lay, the hen laid a golden egg. Okay, the hen laid a golden egg. जैसे ही giant ने बोला lay, वैसे ही hen ने lay सुनते ही golden egg दे दिया. Okay, here anywhere around us if we say किसी मुर्गी को if we say ले, क्या वो अंडा दे देगी? वो नॉर्मल अंडा भी नहीं देगी जब तक उसका मन नहीं है. ठीक है. सो here this hen, this magical hen was giving golden eggs as soon as after listening lay. Okay, so अब now Jack ये ओवन में से he was watching everything. Okay, Jack was watching everything from this oven कि कैसे the hen came, the giant said lay, and hen actually laid a golden egg. Okay, so Jack was seeing all these things happening. Okay, then giant got the egg, obviously the golden eggs. Then what happened? Giant smiled. Giant खुश हो गया. उसने smile किया and then begin to snore. Snore is what? S-N-O-R-E. Snore. This word means generally in Hindi we call it खर्राटे मारना. Okay, when someone is sleeping, he is making sounds during sleeping. So what do we say? खर्राटे मारना. Okay, this is the English word for that. खर्राटे. Snore. जैसे ही जायंट ने के हाथ में अंडा आया, उसने वो खुश हो गया. He smiled and then he began to snore. वो सो गया because he had breakfast that time. खाना तो उसने breakfast खाया and after having breakfast, giants love to sleep. Okay, so he went to sleep there on that table. इधर टेबल पर ही he went to sleep. He began to snore. खर्राटे मारने स्टार्ट कर दिए जायंट ने. Then Jack came out of the oven. Jack ने देख लिया कि giant is sleeping now. He came out of the oven, took this hen. Okay, he came out of the oven. ओवन से बाहर आया, hen को उठाया and then what did he do? He quickly climbed down the beanstalk. He ran. Jack मुर्गी को हाथ में लेके he took the hen in the hands and he quickly climbed down the beanstalk. और वो नीचे आ गया beanstalk के. Okay, उसने वो what did he took with him from the sky? वहाँ sky से वो क्या लेकर आया अपने साथ? He took a hen that lays golden eggs. Then what happened? See, I am reading the next paragraphs also. Here. Okay, when he got home, he showed his mother the wonderful hen and said, lay. The hen laid golden egg. Hen laid a golden egg. For a few days, Jack and his mother lived a comfortable life. But Jack now began to wonder if he could find something else up there in the sky. Okay? So, जैसे वो अपने घर में आया उस magical hen को लेकर, what did he do? He showed that hen to his mother. उसने उसकी mother को, old woman को, he showed that hen. उसने वो hen दिखाई. Okay? The wonderful hen. एंड देन जैक सेड व्हाट? जैक सेड ले. जैसे ही जैक ने कहा ले, the hen gave the golden eggs. Okay, the hen gave the golden eggs. And then what happened? Gold जो है वो बहुत महंगा होता है, ठीक है. For a few days, Jack and his mother lived a comfortable life. तो अब Jack and his mother did not have milk to sell in the market, but they had golden eggs to sell in the market, and with that money, they are living their life comfortably. वो जाकर golden eggs market में sell करते थे, and they get money. Lot of money from there, and then they lived a very comfortable life with that money. But see, some days went on like this. कुछ दिन ऐसे ही गुजर गए. But then what happened? Jack began to wonder. Jack अब सोचने लगा कि अगर स्काई पर इतनी सारी मैजिकल चीजें हैं, मतलब अगर if I can get a hen that lays golden eggs, तो I can get so many other things from the sky. मुझे स्काई से और भी कुछ ऐसे मैजिकल वंडरफुल चीजें मिल सकती है. So then he went back again. But I will continue this story in the next lecture because the time I guess is over. So till then you please read the chapter. Okay, I know chapter is being very interesting. So you till then please read the chapter. I'll continue the chapter further in my next lecture. Until then, bye bye, take care of yourself and keep studying.